How to remove calls ringtone on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove calls ringtone on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find the ringtone here, and click on it and click settings and scroll down until you find this one known. Click on it and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.